हेलो एवरीवन। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड। आप लोग स्वस्थ होंगे, मस्त होंगे। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द ऑल्टमैन Z score model, a model to predict the financial health of a company, or you can say a model to assess the bankruptcy risk of a firm. So चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। There was a finance professor, Edward Altman. Edward Altman has created this model in 1968. रीजन क्या था उनके ये मॉडल बनाने का? At the time of Great Depression, which you know, it's from 1929 to 1959. I'm telling I'm telling this range because 1929 के पहले जो लेवल्स थे वो ग्रेट डिप्रेशन के बाद वापस वो लेवल रिकवर करने के लिए मार्केट को नियरली अबाउट 30 इयर्स लगे हैं. In 1959 the market got the levels of pre Great Depression. The analyst and investor use this to assess the financial position of a company, to assess the risk of their investments. Initially पब्लिक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनीज ने इनको यूज़ किया था इस मॉडल को, बट लेटर ऑन प्राइवेट और नॉन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनीज ने भी इस मॉडल को अडॉप्ट किया एंड used as a one of the financial metrics to assess the bankruptcy risk. There is 5 variables in the Altman Z-score model. Initially, Altman has introduced 21 variables in the model, but over the period of time, he analyzed that to simplify this, he should be more precise and to be more accurate. उन्होंने सिर्फ ये 5 financial ratios रखे हैं with different weightages to assess the financial health of a company. You can see the equation on the screen, right? So there are 5 variables, or you can say 5 financial ratios with different weightages, which used to assess and analyze the bankruptcy risk of a company, right? So as you can see on the screen, there are brackets. If the score of a firm is 0.0 to 1.8, then the firm is in distress zone. If the score is in between 1.8 to 3.0, then the firm is in gray zone. And the score is between 3.0 to 4.0, then the firm is in safe zone. That means if a firm is in safe zone, then there is a low risk. Investors can go for their investments. But if the firm is in distress zone, then the investor should be very cautious about their investment. क्या उसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाहिए? नहीं. And in the bracket of gray zone, the firm might get bankrupt or the firm might can grow also. Here are the 5 financial ratios. The first one is working capital by total assets. This shows the liquidity of the firm. Second is retained earnings by total assets. That is profit accumulation of the firm. Third is EBIT by total assets. It shows the profitability strength of a firm. Fourth one is market value of equity by total liabilities. It shows the confidence of market in the firm. The last one is sales by total assets. That shows the efficiency of a firm. Okay. The classic example of this Altman Z score model is Lehman Brothers. So you heard about the Lehman Brothers crisis in 2008 or the subprime crisis. The Z score of Lehman Brothers was 1.8 before bankruptcy. And there are three main indications that the firm is going to be bankrupt in coming future. First is high debt, second is low retained earnings, third is declining sales. मेनली हम इस मॉडल का यूज क्यों करते हैं, राइट? टू मेक, सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट, टू मेक द इन्फॉर्म्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजंस. हम एक प्रॉपर डिसीजन ले पाए, एक इन्फॉर्म डिसीजन ले पाए और हमारे रिस्क कम कर सकें या हम रिस्क को अवॉइड कर सकें. ओके, सो फॉर दिस एक छोटा सा एक एग्जांपल मैं आपको शो करना चाहूँगा. I have taken the example of Tata Motors. Okay, 2023 to 2024 ये information मैंने ली है annual financial reports of Tata Motors. You can also visit Tata Motors website and get these details also, and you can also calculate this. So I have taken the values of current assets, non-current assets, current liabilities, retained earnings, income, expenses, finance cost, sales, and the market value of equity. For this, you can just get the help of internet and आपको ये easily value कहीं पे भी मिल सकती है. I would like कि if you are viewing this video, go just calculate this by your own and let me know how much I am right. Okay, so I have calculated this. This is all formulated, right? This is the weightage of each financial ratio, and I have done the calculations here and summed up the. So this is 2.49. That means what? Tata Motors is in gray zone, right? The investment might be risky, but it is a close to safe zone. But yeah, it's still a risky investment. So it shows like the firm is in gray zone. Gray zone that means per- performing moderately. I hope everyone who is watching this video like the video. Do let me know your comments. Stay happy, stay safe. Goodbye, and at last, have a happy learnings.